Quit 9-to-5 job. You have to start online business as soon as possible. There are many opportunities. And now I want to give you some great online business ideas worth considering in 2023 and beyond. Before I will tell you how to start a business from nothing, a quick disclaimer. No matter how old you are and where you live, both men and women can start making money online without any age restrictions and demographic. Like starting any activity, at the beginning it can be hard for you to see any results from your online business. Be ready to work for free, like I did, but it will pay off later. Just trust me. I was struggling with my main YouTube channel for 7 months before I finally got monetized. As example, if I could do it, you can too. It all depends on which type of online business you're gonna choose. But for the laziest people who want to see the relatively quick results from their work, I would recommend to begin with an affiliate marketing. This is the best online business to start as a beginner. It is safe. There is no existing risks for you without gained experience at online marketing. It requires only a little bit of creativity and some insignificant following on social media. You can make a couple $100s a month with affiliate marketing, even without having lots of subscribers or a huge email list. Just do your research first. Take a look which products are in demand and then start promoting them. Of course, Amazon is the marketplace #1 today, but there are lots of them. If you pick the right product, you will increase the likelihood of having the lots of sales. Basically, you can make from 30 to 75% of commission with an affiliate marketing. After you sign in, for example, on Amazon, you will get a generated link which you have to promote. Beside Amazon, you can also use a Shopify affiliate program. This one is also great for the beginners. Once you understand how all it works, I would highly recommend you not to go crazy with this generated link. Otherwise, you will annoy your audience and no one's gonna buy anything. You have to show to your potential target audience your authenticity first. Be honest and try to be as descriptive as possible. Acting like so will allow you to get a lot of customers and convince them to buy the products you promote. If you missed one of my previous videos where I'm talking about another affiliate marketing opportunity, you can watch it later. Here it is. This is another great website where you can promote digital products and earn a high commission, around 75% for each sale. If you need quick money in 2023, don't neglect of starting an affiliate marketing right now. It is the first and probably the best ideal online business for the beginners. The next online business you should start in 2023 is selling handmade goods. It can be jewelry, furniture, different kinds of dishes. The biggest advantage of running this business is you are your own boss. You set your own schedule. You don't depend from anyone. You just create a product and you can start selling it from your home. And there are lots of amazing websites which can allow you to become a successful seller online today. I will mention them in just a second. Selling DIY goods online can be a better choice for women rather than men, because there is strong demand for beauty products and food in this industry. And as a rule, the ladies are more creative in this field. Today you can sell the aromatic soaps, lip balms, different creams and lotions. All of them are very easy to create. Just buy all the necessary ingredients and start doing your craft. Besides selling the beauty products, the current trends show that selling the candles is also popular online business today. Despite the high competition when it comes to selling the candles, you can still find your customers if you create something unique. If you want to succeed when selling the candles online, make sure all the materials you pick are eco-friendly. It will give you a slight edge over your competitors. You can also experiment with different colors and decorations. Just having a little bit more creativity will allow you to stand out from the crowd. The next good online business you should also consider is selling a stock photography. I want to say in advance, you won't become a millionaire, but this business can be good for both beginners and people who just starting out. Of course, you will have to invest some money in advance. Now I mean buying the equipment. You have to have a mirrorless camera, for example, because using the iPhone isn't that serious. Pay attention to these camera brands. Sony and Canon are the brands to go for. If you have no experience at photography, you can still learn new skills. But if you want to succeed in this business, you have to remember that the photos of landscapes, cities, different events are selling online the best. Don't expect to earn a lot of money at the beginning. Be ready to upload around 100-150 photos before you see some traction with your income. Once you reach the amount of these pictures available online, then you can earn around $500-600 a month. Not bad at all, especially as the additional side income stream to your main full-time job. Now for those people who missed my previous video on how to make money online, I highly recommend you to go ahead and watch it.